Writing skills include all the knowledge and abilities related to expressing ideas through the written word. The ability to clearly communicate ideas through writing is in high demand for employers in any industry or organization. How to improve your writing skills? A writing diary or keeping a journal enhance your writing skills. Let's see how it works. What is a diary? A diary is a place where you record events, experiences, and other personal things that interest you. You can write whatever you like, free of outside judgment or criticism. It should be an extension of your mind to be safe and free. A diary can be whatever you decide and should be a place where you can be honest. Why should I keep a diary? Your diary is an important document, if not for society, but for you in your individual journey. You can look back on your entries and see how far you have come. You can revisit happy and sad moments in your life. You can be even strengthened by the lessons you learned from your experiences. Benefits of writing a diary. Although people nowadays keep blogs or vlogs and record their lives on social media, only a few jot down their experiences. There are some reasons why you should be starting a journal. Let's see one by one. The first one is keep your thoughts organized. Diaries help us to organize our thoughts and make them apprehensible or understood. You can record daily events, thoughts, and feelings about certain experiences or opinions. A very important benefit of writing a diary is that it improves your writing. How does it improve your writing? It helps you to train your writing. If you want to practice or improve on your writing, the best thing to do is to start a journal. The more you write, the more your writing improves. Set and okay your goals. A diary is a good place to write your goals, ambitions, aspirations, and New Year resolutions. By keeping them in a diary, you can monitor your progress and feel motivated to continue to focus on your next milestone. Record ideas on the go. It helps you to record all your ideas in one place, anytime and anywhere. Relieve stress. Expressing yourself in a diary is a good way to free up any tension that prevents you from feeling happy. Allow yourself to self-reflect. We can look back at our life in a journal and think about how we have changed and what we can do to improve ourselves. Another benefit of writing diary is that it boosts your memory. How does it boost your memory? Because your brain will make stronger connections with the information you have learned after you write them down in a diary and making it easier for you to recall in the future too. Inspire creativity. Your journal or diary is the best place to start exploring your inner creativity. Write down anything that comes to your mind. Let your imaginations run wild and record it in journey. In order to enhance your writing skills, you need to know what you should not write in a diary. Diary writing should not only be about routine daily activities like I wake up at 5 a.m. today, I had a bath, I prayed to God, I had my breakfast and I went to college and so on. Apart from these entries, the journal should reflect your thought life and what you feel about the happenings in your world. The best example of diary writing. Diary writing is a great significance in human life. The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as the Diary of Anne Frank, proved to be an invaluable document and moving story of the Holocaust occasioned by Hitler's agenda to exterminate the Jews. Anne Frank expressed her feelings of sadness about what was happening to the Jewish people in Hitler's regime. There is a difference between reading about the Holocaust through a history textbook and feeling the reality through the diary entries of Anne Frank. The book is a wonderful and life-changing book. It has been published in more than 60 languages. Thus, by writing diaries, you can definitely enhance your writing skills. Thank you.